Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, today we will continue our lesson what we have started yesterday. And before that, I told you all to learn the outlines of the poem. Have you read that? So you have to see and learn, and I have given you some work also that also you have to complete. Now let us go to the lesson. Lesson number 8, bedtime. What is this bedtime? Is a poem. So yesterday we were discussing about this poem. Of the 2 paragraphs we have discussed. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Now let us continue the lesson. So in 2 paragraphs what we have seen? The rocks. Rock means what we said? Crow. The bird crow. So it told everybody to go to bed. It's a time to bed, you take rest. And after that, flowers closing their daisily asleep, means as if they are very deep in sleep, they have closed, and they also said it is a still as they close the eyes, still the red rose is it red in color, and they also told to go to bed. Next, who all came? So we have seen the birds, we have seen the flowers. Now next who was there, we will be seeing now. Paragraph third paragraph you see, 46 page number. The butterfly, so Rosie, has folded its wings. So the butterfly, the next who came? Insects. So the butterfly Rosie. So Rosie means what? Feel asleep. What is the word meaning of drowsy? Drowsy means asleep. Feel sleepy. Feel sleepy. So drowsy means what is the meaning? Feel sleepy. So this butterfly's drowsy has folded its wings. So as it is drowsy, feel like sleeping, it has closed its wings. The bees are returning. So the bees means the bees we know. The small insect, honey bees we say. So that also started to returning home. They started to return. No more the birds sing. No more the birds sings. We cannot hear by this time no birds are singing here and there, because before only birds all has gone. So birds are singing. Their day's work is over. So daytime work, everybody's day's work is completed. It has completed. The nestlings are fed. So here nestlings means what? Nestlings. Nestlings means, what is the word meaning? Young bird. So young bird living in nest. So young bird means living in nest means maybe small babies, young ones. So what they did? Their nestlings are feed. So feed means they went to time to feed the small babies, those who are in the nest. So small babies, they don't know how to go and get the food. So at home also, when the baby is small, when you all are small, mummy or daddy only feed you. So that this thing also here. The birds all went there. Why? Because nestlings. So the small young birds are in the nest. So they have to feed them for that. It's a time little people were going to bed. So were going to bed. So everybody is going. Birds also went. The butterfly here, what it is? It is a drowsy. It wants to sleep. And the honeybees also are returning home. The next one, birds stopped singing, because why? They also returned home. Why they have returned home? Because they want to feed their nestlings. Means the small young birds they wanted to feed. So because of that they have told here, please everyone, all my little people were going to home. The next what happened we will see. Good night little people, good night little ones. So everybody started to tell good night little people and good night little one. All the birds, flowers, the next one insects, everybody is telling good night little people, good night little ones. Sweet dreams to your eyelids. What they are telling? Sweet dreams to your eyelids. Everybody to good night. Also they all are telling good night to everyone. People, elders and younger small ones also it is a good night, and close your eyes and sleep so that you will get a sweet dreams on your eyelids. Till morning light dawns. Till morning light dawns. Dawns means what? Down. So many meanings will be there. Down. So the beginning of the day. So the beginning, here what is the meaning? The beginning. The beginning of the day. So beginning of the day. Down means what? Downs. Here what they are telling you, little morning light down. So till the next day morning lights are there. When the day begins, so till that we can sleep and take rest. The evening has come. There are no more to be said. So there everybody has told already. So the evening has come. There are no others are there. So birds came, the next one flowers and the insects. Everybody has told. There is no one is there to again to tell you. So there are no more to be said. Nobody is there to tell you people again. It is a time for the bed. It is a time little people were going to bed. So what they said? Lastly, everybody together good night they said to everyone and said sleep and have a very sweet dreams on your eyelids. Eyelids means this is the one. So when we close this eyelids, on the eyelids only we will be having the dream center. So that they told. And till when they said till morning light dawns, means next day when it starts till then you can sleep peacefully, because evening has come and nobody is there to tell you. Everybody we all have told, no one is there again to tell you. So please go to bed they said. So this is your poem and they have given page number 47. Word power is there. So all the word power you have to learn. The word power is very important, because when you learn the word power only you will know the meaning, isn't it? You will know the meaning of them. So now let us see the exercise. So fill in the blanks they have given. What is that? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So this fill in the blanks what they are telling you is, the dash are all flying straight home. What were the flying straight home in the first paragraph? If you see, all the what were going? The rock. What is that? Rocks. Rocks means what? The word? Rose. So all the rocks. The next one what? It's a time little people were dash to bed. Were going to bed. What is that one? Going. So were going to bed. The next third one, the butterfly Drossin has dashed its wings. What? Folded. What is it? It started with the Drossin, it is folded. F-O-L-D, folded. The next last, their day's work is over. Their dash are fade. So what? While the day, so their work is on the daytime, it is over. Now they have to go on. What they have to see? Nestlings. So their children. N-E-S-T-L-I-N, nestlings. Okay, na? So this is the thing. I hope next one question and answers that you can do by means you can try to do. I am not telling you to do. You can try. The next when we come to the grammar part, they have given adding the es, e and the es. In English first we have discussed verbs singular into the plural, when we are changing, we have to add yes or es. That only they have given, that you can do. The next one, what now use do not or does. So does not. You have to use here do not or does not. That he plays cricket but he dash play football. One thing you remember, singular and a plural, whatever you are doing, singular means we can use third person, means we can use does. Does not, it is okay. He and all when is. And I and first person when come, we have to use do not. And in singular, does in third person. And plural means you have to use the do not only. So that they and all do not you have to use. Next one, do or does, same thing, making a questions that you have to do. Present continuous tense. The present and continuous tense means what? Present is inform you will be adding. What are the will be there? Present continuous tense. Three you have to remember. First one, is or am. Next one, what will be there? Is or am or are. And if it is a plural means this you have to do. The next, this one what you have to add? The verb inform you have to add. Verb inform. So verb plus inform and all. Verb you have to add and inform and also you have to, both you have to add there. So these things you have to help of this you have to continue. You have to make what interrogative sentences, question type. Then same thing, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, what we will be using? Was, single means past, plural means were. Same thing, were plus inform. So these things you have to use, help of this you have to make it interrogative sentences. And they have given you one box there, page number 49. Past, present, present tense they have given. You have to do past continuous tense plus interrogative sentence you have to make. So these are the things, my dear, they have given in your textbook. Please complete, and if you have any doubt you can call me and ask whatever doubts you have. Thank you.